This is an emergency video. If you hold Dogecoin, the entire crypto market is going absolutely insane. And if you are a part of my community, we really talk about XRP and Dogecoin. XRP is flying right now at the very moment, and especially Dogecoin. Other coins that are flying along with Dogecoin, Floki, Shiba Inu. I make videos about these. Everything is just flying. This is very amazing. It's exciting times. But I need to share with you guys what I think is about to happen to Dogecoin. You cannot miss it. So make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up. Stick around to the end of this video and let's get into it. So if we take a look at Dogecoin, if we zoom out here, had broke this massive resistance level, which is approximately 35 cents. So we broke above this resistance level, and we're holding above it right now, which is actually bullish. And we are retesting the previous resistance as support. As long as this continues to hold, Dogecoin is going to push up to new highs. But what I think is going to happen, and I might just be wrong, and I probably will be wrong, but I honestly don't think that I'm going to be wrong about this, is that in the short term, we could see that Bitcoin, Ethereum, the major cryptocurrencies, as it appears, and again, I could be wrong. I'm wrong all the time, and I'm a human, so I'm not perfect. I honestly don't predict markets. I don't know where price is going, but based on statistical probability, I have an understanding of what is most likely next. So that's kind of what I talk about, what I think is going to happen. It's probably most what is likely next based on my many years in trading experience. So what we can see is that Bitcoin has pumped up, reached $90,000. We are finding resistance. So we are selling off here, selling off here, selling off here. If you take a look at Ethereum, we are also seeing a very sharp sell-off, and it seems like Ethereum now wants to break down. If we pull up ALGOSNIPER, we can see that the bands have flipped red. We got a sell alert, and we are trading and closing under the bands, which honestly is bearish for the short term. Now, what I think is going to happen is that cryptos are going to get a small pullback. And as you notice, Bitcoin nearly pumped up to new all-time highs today, just almost by like a penny, while Dogecoin bounced up very strongly, of course, but is forming a lower high. And so this is an indication of slowing of momentum, which is quite obvious, especially after a 300% pump. I don't even know how many X's, but it was a massive pump for Dogecoin. Congratulations if you guys bought Dogecoin. If you're still holding Dogecoin, I'm so happy for you. This is an amazing trade. Me and the people in my community, we have taken profits on Dogecoin, and we are expecting a small pullback. And where I think we're going to get a pullback, and I think this is going to be very, very realistic, is somewhere in this region over here. We have a lot of liquidity here. Let me go ahead and take off ALGOSNIPER. We have a lot of liquidity here, resistance. There's a lot going on in this area, which is approximately 30 cents. I'll zoom in for you guys. Yeah, just about 30 cents. And that region is going to go all the way down to about this level here, which give or take is about 24 cents. So somewhere in this region between 30 cents and 24 cents, right in here, I think Dogecoin is going to pull back. And if Bitcoin and Ethereum pull back, we're going to get a strong flush on Dogecoin and altcoins. And so that will probably bring us into this level, which if you measure the top into this area, is approximately a 30 to 40% pullback, which is very, very likely on Dogecoin. Very common for a 40% pullback to occur on Dogecoin after a 3x. So if this is the case, I have a lot of cash on the sidelines. And again, this thing could keep pumping up. It's a very strong trend. You know, it's not wrong to assume that there's nothing wrong with that, thinking that we're going to keep going up. But based on my experience after a strong move, and we're starting to see a little bit of weakness with Bitcoin and Ethereum, and we have CPI tomorrow, it might cause some volatility. I think we might get a pullback. And when Bitcoin is pulling back just a couple of percent, these altcoins, especially Dogecoin, are pulling back much more violently because they are obviously smaller by market cap, and it takes a lot less money to move them. Bigger moves. So that would be completely normal. If we come into this area, I am going to be buying and holding. I'm not going to be trying to trade this. I'm going to capture this area and I'm going to hold because I'm confident that we are going to reach $1 at some point in the near future. So that's my plan with Dogecoin. That's what I think is going to happen. The next big move, if we do get this pullback, the next big move, if we zoom out, Personally, I think we're going to take out the previous all-time high. So this 74-cent, 72-cent region, I think Dogecoin is probably going to rip up to that level. And we're going to probably find resistance just like we're finding resistance at this previous resistance now. The people in my Patreon bought Dogecoin at 6 cents, 8 cents, 9 cents, 7 cents. We've been loading up on Dogecoin for a long time. And now we are in massive profits. We are also we've been loading up on XRP for a long time. From 30 cents, we are making massive profits as well. And we have a meme coin that nearly doubled today. And just a couple of days ago, we had a meme coin do a 5x. If you guys want to make incredible amounts of money trading meme coins with future signals, all these constant market updates, you guys can follow and copy all of my exact trades when I'm buying, when I'm selling these cryptos. Make sure you join the Patreon right now. As well, I highly suggest that you guys are using ALGOSNIPER trading indicator. It gave you a buy alert at entry at 11 cents. This thing, you can get alerts. It will tell you exactly when to buy and sell. I'll put the buy and sell alerts. Before the big pumps happen, you will get a buy alert. Before it crashes, you will get a sell alert. You guys can try this thing today for just $1 at algosniper.com. Make sure if you guys are going to be trading cryptos that you are trading over on Blowfin. It's a platform that me and my community trades on where you can get up to $5,000 in deposit bonuses. You guys can long and short cryptos up to 150x leverage. Most importantly, it's the cheapest platform on the internet for cryptocurrencies and the most secure. That's where I'm trading crypto. Thank you guys so much, and I'll see you later.